Welcome to our 2024 New Year's Challenge. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am so excited to have you here and hope that you are enjoying the challenge so far. Remember, you can start from right here. You can go back to the beginning. I'll put a little link up there, but every class is standalone, so you're more than welcome just to repeat it as often as you like. Now, this class is all about our core. That's right, the center of our body. It's a quick 10-minute Pilates class that really focuses on strengthening our deep abdominal muscles. No props are needed whatsoever. Just roll out your mat. Let's get started. We'll just start lying on our back, so go ahead, arrive down on your mat. Take your hands a little away from your body. Let's immediately imprint our spine and then let that go. Just find a few little pelvic tips here, feeling your abdominal muscles contract, turn on. Remember, when we imprint the spine, that just means to press the low back down. It's easy to tense up through the top of your quads, the front of our thighs. I want you to take that muscle activation away from your thighs and think about contracting the tummy to imprint. Inhale, we relax. Now, as you do that, start to notice your chest, your neck. We want to keep all of that as soft as possible. This time, contract the tummy muscle, pause, broaden across the chest a little more, point your nose to the sky like you're Pinocchio, actively push your hands down into the ground. Exhale, pick up your right leg. Did your hips shift or move? We want to keep them still. Right leg down, exhale, pick up the left leg. Set it down, right leg, lower left leg. Each time you lift up, make sure that our knee is coming right over your hip. And we want to keep our spine connected to the ground. Low tummy muscles working. 2 more just like this. Last set. Last one. Now pick up your right leg, keep it there. Take your right hand to your thigh. You might flex your foot, and I want you to imagine your hand is a wall. Shove your leg into the hand without letting it move. Feel those low tummy muscles work a little harder. Push the foot away from the body, exhale, bring it in. Push the foot away, exhale, bring it in. Each time that your thigh touches your hand, physically stop it and use those deep abdominal muscles to help. 3 more. 2. Last time. Pull it in, pause. Take a moment here, low tummy working. Take your left hand behind your head, full big inhale. Use your abdominal muscles, curl your head and chest up. If this is too much, set the head and chest down, but let's repeat again. Inhale out, exhale, pull. Inhale out, exhale, bring it in. 3, 2, last one, in, pause. Set the head down. Right foot down, left foot up, flex the foot, take your left hand to the thigh, and really push it in there as the same time your hand is stopping it. Foot away, foot in. Use the tummy muscles each time that it comes back. I contract, I feel my low abdominal muscles helping to stabilize. You can, of course, push lightly down into the floor with your right foot, making sure our right knee does not wiggle wobble. But the bulk of your attention and awareness, we want it deep in our abs. 1 more. Pull it in, pause, right hand behind the head, take a breath, curl head and chest up here. Think about lifting from underneath the shoulder blades. Same thing, away and in. Take it away and in. Reach and release. Reach and release. 3, 2, last one. Head, foot, everything down. Shake anything out you want to. Make sure we're still imprinting. Pick up the right leg. If we can, pick the left to meet the right. So my legs are separate. There is some space there. Can we tap our toe down, exhale, lift? Tap our toe down, exhale, lift. So instead of picking up a single leg, now we're just dropping a single leg. If your toe doesn't actually touch the floor, that's perfectly fine. I do want you to be mindful, this isn't like a can-can move. I'm not bending at the knee. Instead, this action happens from the hip. I reach the leg away, pull it in. As we do so, make sure your nose is still pointing to the sky. Our shoulders are pinned down to the ground. We're still imprinting. You can kind of think about an imaginary penny behind your low back that you're trying to squish. You want to keep that penny in place. Last time. Now bring both feet back. Flex both hands to the thighs. Really shove your thighs into your hands. Push your hands back into your thighs. Keep the feet flexed. And now this time, push the right leg away, pull it in. Push the left leg away, pull it in. Reach it out and in, out and in. Reach, release, reach, release. Feel those deep tummy muscles working. Is there tension through your jaw or your neck? Shake it out. Smile. Make a silly face. Relax some of those muscles throughout your face. Reach, release. Reach, release. Let's do 2 more sets. Last set. Last one. Now a little different from here. If you need to relax for a moment, that's okay. Take your hands up to the sky. Keep your legs in place. Low belly working. Wrap the ribs in. Soften the shoulders down the back. Just the right hand, I want you to send it out and away. Make sure you can see it in your peripheral vision. That means it's not down to the ground and you should be able to see it without turning your head. Bring the hand back up. Reach the left hand up again. Pause for a moment. Almost imagine you're pulling your right knee towards your left shoulder right now. Feel that contraction there. Bring it in. Now again, right hand away. This time could we straighten the left foot and bring both in at the same time. Left hand away. Straighten the right foot. Pause. Exhale, pull it back. It's a 3-part step. 1, leg 2, both in 3. Hand 1, leg 2, exhale 3. Again, 1, 2, pull it 3. Keep this smooth and steady. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. One more set just like this. Right hand, left foot. Bring it back. Last time. Left hand, right foot, bring it back. Now can we do hand and foot together? Right hand, left foot, exhale, bring it back. Left hand, left foot, bring it back. If your foot is not as low as me, if your leg doesn't fully straighten, I'm okay with that. Not the end of the world. Instead, I want you to focus on low back touching, ribs wrapping in, neck, shoulders relaxed. Take it out and in. Take it out and in. 3. 2 more sets. Last set. Bring it in, pause. Set the feet down, set the hands down. Take a little wiggle, find a little windshield wiper. Get a few pops in your back there. Me too. Now once more, imprint the spine, reach the hands up, pick up the right foot, pick up the left foot, flex. We're gonna do that same action just a little bit faster, a little bit smoother, I suppose. Let's start with right hand out, left foot out, and we're simply gonna switch. Opposite foot out. Opposite hand out. Switch. So it's not really faster in speed, but it is faster in actions. Take it back and forth. We might feel a little silly doing this. That's okay. Keep contracting the abdominal muscles. Remember, turning on our tummy is not sucking in, but instead I think about my obliques, those side tummy muscles wrapping in, my belly button pulling down. It's almost like a feeling of tucking your pubic bone ever so slightly up towards the belly button, just to really feel those deep tummy muscles working. Give me 3, 2, last set from here. Everything in, set it down, relax, take a little windshield wiper, back and forth. I know that was a big one. Now, one more little guy, hands behind the head, elbows wide, curl head and chest up, folding from the sternum, lift a little higher. Once more, pick up your right leg, pick up your left leg if possible. You can flex or point the toes, whatever feels better. Now, I want you to take your left shoulder, bring it to your right knee. 3 times, push the foot out, exhale, pull it in. Push the foot out, exhale, pull it in. Last one. Bring it in, turn back to center. Right shoulder to left knee. 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Twist to the right. 3, 2, last one. Back to center over left. 3, 2, last one. Beautiful. One more set. Twist over to the right. 3, 2, 1. Bring it center. Last time left. 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Let everything go. Relax. Windshield wiper the knees side to side. Stretch the hands and toes away from one another. Wiggle anything out you like. Let's roll to our side. Push ourselves up to a nice tall seat. Sitting tall and straight, nod the head. Give yourself a little wiggle. I know that can be a lot for our neck, even when we don't do a whole lot of curling up with the head and chest. Take a pause, shoulders down, ears up. Let's actively pull our chin down, finding a nice little stretch for our cervical vertebra. Right ear rolls to right shoulder. Chin back down to chest. Left ear to left shoulder. Chin back down to chest. Bring your gaze upright. As always, my friends, pat yourself on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope we enjoyed class. I cannot wait to see you again.